Hello my birdies, how are you all and welcome back to my YouTube channel Keena Beauty and Lifestyle. For all those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe to it and hit the bell icon ताकि आपको मेरे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ इवनिंग का स्मोकी पार्टी मेकअप लुक जो आप बहुत ही फ्यू मिनट्स में अपने घर में क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। और ये क्रिएट कैसे करना है इसके लिए आप मेरे साथ बने रहिए। सो गाइज, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Here I have already washed my face and primed it. I'm using my MAC foundation, MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC35, and I'm gently going to dab the foundation all over my face. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Don't forget your neck area, and with the help of a stippling brush, I'm gently going to spread the foundation all over my face with a very light hand. This is my personal favorite stippling brush. Just spread it with a very light hand. This brush works like a magic. Don't forget your neck area. Now I'm using my Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 04 and I'm going to conceal my under eye. Just make a V on both the sides. And with the help of fingertip, just blend it in the outward direction by dabbing it. For all those who wants to learn festive makeup look, can click on the I button above. Same with the other eye. Now I'm going to use the same concealer and I'm going to put a little bit on my eyelids. It will be my eyeshadow base. Just with the help of your fingertips, spread it all over your eyelids. Now I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Compact and I'm going to set foundation and concealer with the help of this compact. This is in the shade NC30. For a quick makeup removing technique at home, I have a video. Please click on the I button above. Here I'm using my Innisfree brush and shaping my eyebrows with it. Using the spoolie, I'm gently combing it downwards, and with the help of the pencil, I'm going to fill the area just with a very light hand. Just give it a very nice good stroke. Now with the help of the spoolie, just spread the brown shade. This will define your eye. Now here I'm using my Maybelline Diamond Glow palette and I'm using the lighter shade and using it on my crease area. Just gently put the shade in your crease area with the help of a flat brush. This will define your crease. It's a light brownish shade to define your crease, the other eye as well. Now with the help of a blending brush, just blend the product over your eye. Blending is the key to get a perfect eyeshadow, guys. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution palette and I'm using a darker shade. Here I'm using a black shade. Here I'm going to use a black shade, as you can see, and I'm going to give a depth in the outer V of my eye. You can see the step, the outer V with the same flat brush. Just put it in the outer V of your eye. See, you can see the difference that it makes. The other eye as well, the outer V. Now with the help of the blending brush, just blend the two colors together. Blending is the key to get a perfect eyeshadow base, guys. And make sure there are no fine lines left, harsh lines. For all those who wants to know monsoon skincare routine, please click on the I button above. Now as my dress is blue in color, I'm going to use a blue shade from the same palette and use it in the inner corner of my eyes. If you're wearing any other color dress, you can use the color that you like. Since I'm wearing blue, that's why I'm using the blue color. Just gently dab it in your inner corner of your eye with the same flat brush. Now using the blending brush, just blend it nicely. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Just blend, blend and blend. The other eye as well, just blend it. See guys how the color has come out. Now I'm using my color bar pencil and I'm going to use it as a liner on my eyeliner and line it on over the eye. Now I'm using my favorite plum kajal and applying it on my waterline, the other eye. Using a flat brush, small flat brush, I'm going to use the same blue shade and I'm going to mix it with the kajal that I've used with my waterline. Just gently smudge the two colors together, the black and the blue. It will give a very nice definition to your eyes. Just gently smudge the two colors together. The other eye as well, I'm going to show it in your other eye. Now I'm using my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and using it on my eyelashes, bottom to top. Now I'm using the same concealer and I'm giving you a tip with a very light angular brush. I'm going to define my eyebrow to give it a clean look. Just use it above your eyebrows. You must have a very nice angular brush and with the help of the fingertip, just gently blend it. What does it do is it gives your eyebrow a good definition and gives a cleaner look to your eyebrows. Now I'm going to use my iconic kajal by iconic mascara by Lakme. This is a deep blue shade and I'm going to gently put it on my lashes. It gives a very nice shade to the eyelashes and looks lovely during the evening. Now I'm using my Wet n Wild contouring palette and I'm going to contour my face, my cheekbones, the jawline, my forehead. Now I'm using LA Colors palette and I'm going to blush my cheek area. Gently dab and put it outwards. Now the same palette I'm using highlight and with the help of a fan brush I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. Just gentle 3-5 strokes of it and you'll get a very nice highlight on your cheekbones, the other cheekbone as well. Now on the same palette I have a lighter shade of highlight. I'm going to use my fingertips and highlight my brow bone. It will give a very good definition to my eyes and make my eyeshadow pop a little bit. The other eye as well. Now I'm going to use the same shade and give a highlight on my bridge of the nose, cupid bow and cheek. Now I'm using a light shade of lipstick. This is a nude shade and I'm going to use it on my lips. Here I'm setting my makeup with a makeup setting spray, using an earring, wearing an earring. And look guys, my evening party makeup look is done. I hope you liked it. Do give it a thumbs up. So yeah guys, कैसा लगा आपको मेरा स्मोकी आई मेकअप लुक जो कि आप अपने इवनिंग की पार्टी के लिए क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड विद इन अ वेरी फ्यू मिनट्स. आई होप कि आपको ये अच्छा लगा हो. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me grow. I'll be very grateful to you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.